bugged up of carrying roti sabzi every day in the tiffin? Me too. What we will do today, we will just slightly change our tiffin plans and make some easy comfort food. Let us make a quick and easy chicken fried rice. If you are a vegetarian, just take off the chicken. All the ingredients are in your home. Let's start making a fresh rice along with stir fry of chicken and veggies. I'm making Chinese fried rice. I'm adding chicken in that, so it will be chicken Chinese fried rice. For that, I'll just take you along with me to just have a look at the ingredients. So first things first, what I'll do, I'll pour some oil. Now this is regular cooking oil, but if you have sesame oil, you can add few drops of sesame oil. It will really enhance the taste. Into this, I am adding this rice. Now as you see, this rice is completely dry. I have tried to drain out all the water just because I want to stir fry the rice in the oil. It definitely gives the next level of taste and texture. So if you have time, please do follow this step. Let us saute the rice in this pan until it becomes nice and brown. As you can see, the rice has started to become a little brown, and this is what we want. Now this cup I have used to measure the rice. You can see the markings on this, and I have taken 1.5 cup of rice. For this I have taken 3.5 cups of water. So this is the water which I have taken, and I have put it in the microwave for heating for about 3 minutes. So this is warm. It is more than warm, but it is not very hot. Before putting the rice aside, what I'll do is I'll add a little salt, like not the entire portion of salt, but be careful in this recipe because you are using soy sauce also. So soy also has salt. So let me give this a stir and let us wait. It should take about 15 minutes, 17 minutes in that range to cook. So let us keep this aside. In goes the chicken. Let it fry. This has some vinegar, so it is going to splutter. At this point, what I will do, I'll keep the flame high, and also I will cover it. I won't cover it completely, I'll just cover it partially so it gets some steam and the chicken is cooked. Meanwhile, let me check on the rice. Yeah, the rice is going to take some time, so I'll just keep it covered for 10 minutes and not touch it now. It is almost 2 minutes, and you can see that the chicken has started to get brown. At this point, what I will do is, my flame is already high. I will quickly start adding the vegetables. So first what I will add is, I'll add the chilies and the ginger garlic. Ginger garlic, you can see it is very finely crushed. I'll just saute it for a minute. Next, I will add the juliences of carrot. Because carrot will take a while to cook, so I am adding it first. So let us quickly stir it. I'll cover this for about 30 seconds or so that the carrots which are there, they become a little soft. We don't have to. Let's see this. Yeah, the carrots are getting done. I have reduce the flame on the gas and I'm going to add onions. Onions also, if you see, I have removed the water completely out of the onions. So I will stir fry now. The flame is high. And at this point, if you want, what you can do is you can add a little bit of salt so that whatever excess moisture of the vegetable which is there, it helps to evaporate that. The onions are also stir frying. Meanwhile, what I will do is I'll just cover it for about 20 seconds or so that it cooks evenly. This is getting done. Meanwhile, I will again increase the flame of the gas. I'll put in the capsicums followed by the shredded cabbage. Please ensure that your vegetables are completely dry. Now I will give a quick stir here, so that all the vegetables are nicely done. Meanwhile, let us have a check on the rice. Yeah, the rice is going to take some time to cook. Now I'll cover it, and after I turn off the gas, I'll keep it for 10 more minutes so that it becomes nice, moist and fluffy. Just take a look at the vegetables now. I've covered it for at least 30 seconds now so far. Okay, at this stage it is almost done, and what I add is, I add the pepper. Now this is about 1 small teaspoon of pepper. This I have freshly crushed it in the mixie, and in goes the soy sauce. And now I'll turn off the flame. I will thoroughly mix everything so that all the flavors are incorporated into this vegetable mixture, and we will wait until the rice is done because the rice is going to take some time to be done. Leave it open, please do not cover it. So let us check on the rice. I have just kept it to steam nicely. Yes, it is done. So rice is ready, the vegetable mixture is ready. Now we will mix both of these. So rice is ready, the vegetables are ready. What I will do is I'll mix both of these. So I'll just pull in all the veggies into the rice and then mix them thoroughly, so that the flavors of the vegetables, they are imparted to the rice, and the rice also becomes very flavorful. So with a very light hand, just toss all this up. I think that the rice needs a little bit of soy sauce, so I've just taken a capful of it. That should be good enough. I've not added the capful. You can just see it is still, some portion of it is left out. So I'll continue mixing. Yeah, I think now the color and the flavor both should be perfect for the rice. I've kept the gas at the maximum just for about 30 seconds or so. I will cover this with a lid, and I will reduce the flame of the gas and allow it to steam it for maybe a minute or two. So rice is steaming up now. What I'll do, I'll just open and check the rice if it is properly cooked. Let me pull out a grain and just see. Yes, this is properly done. Yes, at this point I will just turn off the gas, cover this. So our rice is ready.
We have cheated our roti sabzi for our tiffin. Today let us have and enjoy our tiffins in a different way, different style. I hope you have liked this quick and easy ingredient chicken rice recipe. I hope you will try it for your tiffins or any meals of the day. By the time I see you next time with a brand new episode, bye for now. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel, give it a big like and share it with your friends and family.